And so, these kinds of deployments really do pose safety risks, not only to civilians, but to the soldiers themselves. Thank you. Thanks for having me. We will be right back with more. Sexual wellness and includes awaken, prescription medicine used to reduce the risk of HIV. Aptitude helps you with continuous protection when taken every other month, and it's proven superior to once daily PrEP in reducing the risk of HIV. You must be age-related to receive Aptitude and get tested with injection. If you think you are exposed to HIV-like symptoms, tell your doctor right away. HIV testing may be needed. Aptitude does not prevent other sexually transmitted infections. Practice safer sex to get Aptitude is special. Reduces your HIV risk. Don't take Aptitude to reject it or take certain medicines. Tell your doctor about your medical conditions, liver problems, and mental health. Serious side effects include allergic reactions or rash, liver problems, and depression. Easy curve, get medical help right away. The most common side effect is injection site reaction. You bring your A game to everything you do. Ask your doctor.